Hello, today I will show you how to fix no display but fan spinning on Windows PC problem. Sometimes you may encounter this problem on Windows computers. However, you can fix the display but fan spinning problem quite easily. Follow these steps for this. First, open the device manager by clicking on Windows and X. Click on Display Adapters or Monitor Adapters. Then right-click on the display driver. View the options that appear and select Uninstall device. Confirm the Remove driver for this device box in the mini window that opens. Click on Uninstall. With this process, turn off your computer and reinstate the GPU. Then restart your device and solve the problem. With these steps, you can completely fix the no display but fan spinning on Windows PC problem. If the problem reoccurs, you can solve the problem again by following the same steps.